Does your device need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic, home collection and delivery, with no calls or travel required. We send you a quote before repair, and we only proceed with your agreement. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in the description. Welcome to this detailed guide on upgrading your HP 15DA0031NS by replacing the M.2 SSD. This process will not only improve your laptop's speed, but also increase its storage capacity. Let's get started with the tools you'll need. You will require a Phillips screwdriver, an anti-static wrist strap, and a plastic spudger for safe handling of components. First, ensure your laptop is powered off and unplugged. Remove the battery if possible. Next, locate the screws on the back panel of your HP 15DAA031NS. Using the Phillips screwdriver, carefully unscrew all the screws. Keep them in a safe place as you will need them later. Once the screws are removed, gently use the plastic spudger to pry open the back panel. Take your time with this step to avoid damaging the clips. With the back panel removed, you will see the internal components of your laptop. Now, locate the M.2 SSD slot. It is typically situated near the RAM slots. If there is an existing SSD, you will need to unscrew the small screw holding it in place. Carefully slide the SSD out of the slot. If you are replacing it, take your new M.2 SSD and align it with the slot. Gently insert it at an angle and press down until it clicks into place. Secure it with the screw you previously removed. Before reassembling your laptop, it's a good idea to clean the internal components. Use a can of compressed air to blow out any dust from the fans and other areas. This will help maintain optimal airflow and cooling. Now, it's time to reattach the back panel. Align it properly and press down until you hear the clips snap into place. Replace all the screws you removed earlier, ensuring they are tightened securely but not overly tight to avoid stripping the screws. Once everything is back in place, reinsert the battery if you removed it and plug in your laptop. Power it on and enter the BIOS by pressing the appropriate key during startup, usually F10 or ESC. Check if the new SSD is recognized. If it is, you can proceed to install your operating system or clone your existing one. If this seems too tricky, remember, we offer professional diagnosis without obligation, as well as collection and delivery at your home. This means you can avoid the hassle of calls and travel, and you'll receive a quote before any repair is undertaken. In conclusion, upgrading your HP 15DA0031NS with a new M.2 SSD is a straightforward process that can significantly enhance your laptop's performance. With the right tools and a bit of patience, you can complete this upgrade yourself. Thank you for following along and enjoy your newly upgraded device. Does your device need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic, home collection and delivery with no calls or travel required. We send you a quote before repair, and we only proceed with your agreement. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in the description.